You need some information about Samsung Galaxy A23. So, this is the right place for you. Let's go to the video.
Samsung will unveil its all-new Galaxy A23 smartphone to the market soon. The South Korean company is working on a new smartphone of its A series. There is no official announcement of this handset, but some specifications have been leaked online. The newcomer will be named a Samsung Galaxy A23. The smartphone got a chipset of Snapdragon 680, which is the most powerful chipset, and to give more power to this device it has a 2.4 GHz octa-core processor inside the Samsung's Galaxy A23 to make the device ultra-fast. The display screen size of the smartphone is 6.6 inches, and it will provide the user with Full HD plus the resolution of 1080 by 2408 pixels. The new Samsung Galaxy A23 has a TFT display that is the latest one and well known for its outstanding results. The smartphone has got 6 GB of RAM capacity in Galaxy A23 by Samsung that is usually used in the high-end smartphones of most companies. The manufacturer of the company introduces it in the handset to capture the attention of the users. The internal storage capacity of the Samsung A23 will be 128 GB. This is a huge amount of storage capacity that will provide the user of this device to store a huge amount of data for future use. The smartphone is going to pack the Samsung Galaxy's A23 with a quad camera setup. The main sensor of the phone will be 50 megapixels, others are yet to be confirmed. The selfie camera will be a 8 megapixel, for capturing photos and movies of your loving ones. There is a side-mounted fingerprint reader in the Samsung Galaxy A23 to protect it from any unauthorized person. The battery of the Galaxy A23s will be somewhere around 5,000 mAh. This is enough power for this smartphone, and there is a 15W of fast battery charging.
So this was today's video. I hope you like this video. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.